Saul's Autotek, and today we're going to talk to you a little bit about the summer season, the way the heat affects your car, what you can do about it, and what we can do to help you stay on top of it. First and foremost, living in Colorado, we have very strong heating and cooling cycles. In the summer, we can have 100-degree days with 10% humidity every day for 30 days. In the winter, we might see temperatures of 15 below zero. As a result, the cooling and heating system in your car needs some attention and some love. In the case of this Mini Cooper that came into us yesterday, it actually had no coolant in the system, and we had to fill it up just to find out where the leaks were going because it had so many of them. That's something we definitely want to stay on top of with you and your motor vehicle. Part of the reason that we offer a free diagnostic service is we want to make sure that you don't run into these issues when it's too late. If your vehicle's heating up on you on the highway, if you see that temp gauge getting more than halfway up that gauge, you need to turn it off. And this is a time where it's not, I'm going to get it 15 minutes to work and I'll let it cool, or I'm going to go another 5 miles in traffic and I'll pull over. It's, if I pull over now, I might be saving myself an engine that could cost thousands of dollars when all I need is a hose or a water pump that's $100 or maybe a couple $100 at most. So by all means, overheating cars are definitely something you want to be very proactive about. Just as if your body was overheating because you were running too hard on a hot day, once you hit that wall and you hit that limit, your motor vehicle feels the same pain. And once you hit that point and damage occurs to your body, the same thing occurs with your motor vehicle. So if you've got concerns about yours, if you've got overheating issues, or you just want to be preventative and make sure that you don't end up with any issues throughout the summer, come and see us. Because we'll not only go through the heating and cooling system to make sure that everything's working appropriately, we'll be checking the filters, the efficiencies of other different parts of the vehicle, the exhaust system for clearance, and additionally for any leaks that might be flammability or other concerns. We want to make sure that your vehicle lasts not only through the summer, but through many summers to come. Come and see us here at Saul's Autotek, 303-919-7769, and we'll get you ready for the hot summer ahead.